it is, the Fent Ideal 9T combine. Let's see if this will chew some canola. He is literally leaving me in the dust. Okay, Austin, we are in the Fent 9T. Here's the hammer arm.
Yep.
Where's my steering wheel?
No steering wheel, all joystick controls.
Okay.
Yeah, so left hand will be controlling your steering, so left and right. We also have like turn signals, all that stuff on here.
Okay.
Since you have no steering column, your right hand will be forward, reverse, as well as header functions, feeder house up, down, auger, all that.
Yeah, so still the button on the back, or I'm
Yep,
in park?
Yeah, you're in park right here. So you'll pull it up and push it forward. There you go. Comes off on the monitor right there. So
Oh, okay.
park's on, park's off. And then just like, yeah, sprayer, click that trigger.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just like subtle.
Yeah, and it's a return. And then if you go all the way, like you'll feel it kind of bite.
Oh, I see.
If you just engage your thrasher right now, so we'll lift up. These ones stick forward. It's just like your rear wheel assist. Like it's gonna automatically lower your RPMs. It'll turn everything on. Then it'll throttle you right up. Then you can engage your header.
Yeah, that's cooking. Okay, auto steer here.
Yep. There we go, speed up. Now hit it. There we go. It just slow this time going down.
How fast were you going before?
I was going about four-ish.
Yeah, it looked like you were
4.2,
cooking.
yeah.
3.5 is where
So this,
Johnny's like to be.
our losses are high until we hit that 4 mile an hour mark and that combine fills up. So
Where's my speed? Oh, there's my speed.
So we can see rotor loss is pretty high right now. The combine's not
full. Doesn't want it there.
And then you'll watch, it'll just start to go right down.
Oh yeah, they went right down now.
Yeah. And I have them cranked up to 85% sensitivity, so it's like, it should be reading.
So what's what's this screen telling me?
This is showing where it's coming, like, and where it's dropping off your combine, so we can see where off our rotor, most of our product is dropping right off the start and like before the end. So this would be a 16-foot long rotor right here. So this is more or less just showing me where the grain's falling. So at the back of our combine, there's nothing. Nothing really coming out. Same with this is showing our sieve, just what's happening.
It's just pretty stable there.
Yeah. We can also flip this screen to see a couple different things.
This is way different than last time I
correct, yeah.
remember.
What I would say this combine, because was it 2020 or 2019 that you guys did?
It must have been 20. Like it was an 8.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this combine to 2020 is very there's a lot of similarities. Of course, the same thrashing style, but technology and operator is completely different now. Okay, you can slide it again. This will just show your passes as you're going. I don't have it set to. It'll actually show you can use that as a guidance map if you want.
Okay.
And then you can flip the other way. Again. That's where you can fine tune what you're seeing.
And it looks pretty clean.
Yeah. And you can. Some guys like more chaff, some guys don't. So adjust and fine tune how you want. Hit your auto steer once more. There you go.
flow.
Yeah.
On full flow. Got it.
And you'll see there'll be streamer gates, what they're called. So those gates right there. And then watch, I'll dial it down one. See, there's position 2,
Oh,
position
yeah,
3,
yeah.
then that's cut off.
Hard to see on the camera, but okay. Yeah.
And then you just depress that and shut it off. And so what it'll do when you shut it off, it's gonna now clean out the auger everything's still running, those gates close, cleans out the auger, then the spout will tip.
That should tell. Okay.
And then so this one, compared to the last combine you demoed, this one sits about 6 to 8 feet higher than previous model.
Yeah, there's good clearance.
Yeah. You have you have a sunshade on your right hand side, right here on the front, and then you also have a left hand side one that's magnetic. So if you have an awkward sun, you can kind of put it wherever you want.
So what about my combine settings? We got twin rotor.
Yep.
We're going quite fast, like 900.
Yep.
So then the rest, the clearance is,
Yep.
the rest is in inches.
Correct. Concaves, then top sieve, bottom sieve, like chapper and sieve,
Yeah.
and then fan. All your adjustments, you can easily change them. They're all just the green icons here.
Okay.
To increase and decrease. So that's live. What's actually getting output onto your that's live what your combine's doing. And then if you hit your combine in the top right, and then you'll go to machine settings second. Yep. There. So then you can have like a set one, what it's set to. So see how this left side it's set to 0.39, but it's actually at 0.37, which is your actual.
Oh, okay.
Just because it won't ever get it like theirs. It's only by steps, more or less.
Okay. Yeah. No, I don't know what it should be at, but
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's doing a pretty good job based off the monitors.
Yeah. So then what we'll do, I'll get you to go into your 4 quadrants. We'll check out our yield. Okay, so
4,700.
yep. So once we get to this end of this pass, we can dump what we want.
We got more moose. More moose coming out of the woods. Bull. Good size. Oh yeah. Austin left me. Had supper and he left me. But Fent lights, John Deere lights. Fent lights are really good. Lots to the front and the back. Can't really tell because the canola is it's the powdery mildew or something makes the combines so black. Every combine looks like a Fent because it's just right black. Yeah, look at that difference. We're clipping along pretty good still. Trying to go 4 miles an hour. Got 94 bushels in my tank. 7.1% moisture, the canola. 45 to 50-ish bushels. So it's running pretty good in vigor. This stuff, Austin explained it a little bit. I can't explain it because I don't really know how to run it. I think it's set good. And the cab is quite nice. Got the buddy seat here with the fridge. And some shelves here. I got the mobile here. So a little bit more room than the previous cabs, I believe. Some cup holders there, cup holders here. Good wide walkway to get in. Look at that dust, hey? Man. You know, we're on the same headers. These are the same FD2 40 foot as on the John Deere, so that's all the same. It seems like it's the middle of the night. It is not even 8 p.m. So for the same class combine and same header size, I'm going a half mile an hour faster on average, and probably a little bit cleaner, probably a little bit like better sample, cleaner, less losses. It didn't drop a pan, but you know, bigger cleaning area. The only drawback so far is the tracks. I can feel a little, tracks are a bit rough, and just the handling on the corners. Turns a little wider than I thought. Right at sunset there, I wiped off my lights, wiped off my mirrors, wiped my windows, and didn't have a broom to do that with, just Austin's roll of paper towel. So I just took like 4 or 5 pieces of paper towel and wiped it all down. And I put the roll on top of the cab. And I said to myself, remember that roll of paper towel was on top of the cab. It's still up there. And it probably rolled off, it's gone now. So Austin, I'm sorry I lost your paper towel. I can't see a thing. Not a thing. There's not many passes left. I mean, some of these passes, well, those aren't done. I guess those aren't done, but some of them are done. It's just we're not on the same job, so not much left. 30 minutes. I can keep it at 3.7, 3.8. I'm at 18 acres an hour, where the 790s are doing around 15 acres per hour. Field is done. Quite a bit quicker with 3 combines. Dad's been hopping in and out of trucks, and when he's on the truck, he hops in the 3rd combine for a bit, then back to the truck. So he's probably pretty tired. What's that, folding? I want to look for the paper towel and see if the hopper folded. Oh my god. No. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, I gotta shut this iPad off. Well, he said just lock it, so. Oh jeez. Took a screenshot. Oh, it's because this. That's right. Okay. Good exit lighting on the ladder and the side light. I'm just driving home. We're packing it in. The neighbor just started this half section. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. They're gonna be done. Adair, go to bed.